ရှောက်တာကိုပြောရလေpersonal branding အများကြီးလုပ်အောင်ဟိုလုပ်အောင်မှာသူစကားတွေအရင်ပြောရအောင်စကားတွေအရင်ပြောရအောင်ကျွန်တော်ကိုနေကိုပို့ပေးလိုက်မှာအကုန်လုံးဟုတ်သူဟိုဒါပေမဲ့ကိုနေတို့ဟိုဖြစ်ရင်တော့ဒီဘက်မှာကတစ်ချက်တင်ကြည့်ပေးလိုက်မှာဟို foreigner တယောက်ဝင်မယ်ဆိုရင်တော့အဲ့လို fees တွေရှိတယ်ဟုတ် new video going up It's been a very productive day. So today me and Marcus we went out to pitch a client. I think the deal is almost done. We just have to come up with some brilliant ideas to pitch, not pitch, to share with him so that he sees what we're doing. And the other thing is I think I managed to call a lot of people today. A lot of editing work gets done as well, and basically I just want to go out today. Actually this happened yesterday.
Oh, mama look and hi nila. Su me.
You are captain. What are you doing, bro? Just play football.
Chira again, chira like that.
And don't wear the captain back.
Tú là nó hoa mà luôn màပြောnó cái sợi này kìa. Đây còn nữa là.
Không mà đi mà không mà.
Đây là.
Mà captain nó phải gì còn hai điểm.
Nó mà phô là.
So I was playing football. It's a Sunday league that I play every Sunday, and yeah, got this really bad injury, and yeah, I was limping the whole day. I couldn't work, but yeah, I just don't want to put that as an excuse. And yeah, I was just starting to get back to the rhythm, and yeah, that's why I pushed myself to go to the gym. I didn't do much. I only did 2 exercises, but I think it was better than nothing. Better than not going. So yeah, and I keep posting these kind of vlogs, these kind of mini vlogs, little vlogs that I do, like a day in my life kind of thing, because I want to keep the momentum going. Because once I stop vlogging, stop recording for I don't know. Okay, I was saying that once I stop vlogging, I kind of lost the momentum where I can speak like this to the camera, you know, freely and yeah, as openly, and my idea doesn't flow like this anymore. So I realized I just need to keep vlogging. It doesn't matter how bad the vlog is, how good the vlog is. At the end of the day, I keep the momentum going, and you know, this kind of talk, this kind of ideas come out eventually. So yeah, that's my way of motivating myself and yeah, doing the things I love. Anyway, a lot of travel vlogs coming up. I'm excited for Korea trip, and tomorrow we have 3 shoots in total. Very 2 small clients and 1 very potential big client. I'm talking about really big, and we are hoping that we get this guy after we do a sample shoot for them. Other than that, yeah, it's been going well. I'm excited. Korea trip, really excited. It's gonna be up in like 2 days. So yeah, I'm just watching a lot of vlogs in Jeju, Busan. So yeah, because I'll be going there for quite a while. So yeah, I'm excited and just excited to share more with you guys, honestly. Anyway, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.